This product is making us nearly £200 in a month. Welcome back to Dan's Deals, the weekly show where we take one product and learn about Amazon FBA from that product. This week the product is a Jellycat amusable hot pink heart. It looks very sweet, it's got legs. What's not to like? We can buy this Jellycat from the website Campus Gifts for $11.99 and it's selling on Amazon for $24.99. So a £13 difference in the price. Let's load up the Profitl extension and see if this product is worth buying. So the first thing we're going to look at with this product is the amount of sales it's getting each month, because you don't really want a product that's not selling at all. That just doesn't make much sense. So it's selling 31 to 59 units a month, which is okay. The thing that makes this workable though is the amount of sellers that are also competing on this listing. There's only one of them, which makes the 31 to 59 sales a bit more worth it because there's less competition for us to be competing with. And to drive home this point even more, that one seller only has one bit of stock available. So this listing is wide open for us to get on, get involved, and get selling. But one of the reasons why it might not have much competition is because of the reviews. So this product is 3.5 star rated, which, as you can probably tell by most rating systems, it's just over midway, which usually doesn't give a lot of confidence when you're buying something and you see it's 3.5 stars. Usually you definitely want to be reaching at least the 4 stars. That gives buyers a little bit more confidence in the product that they're buying. The fact it only has 5 reviews overall, and those 5 reviews are giving 3.5 stars on average, is a little bit concerning, because usually the lower the review rating, the more returns you typically have to deal with because buyers aren't happy with the product. This isn't an exact science, obviously that's not always how it works out, and reviews can't always be trusted. It might be a great product, but based on its reviews, that is definitely something to be wary of. And for any products you're sourcing, always check the reviews, because that might be something that tells you not to get on that listing. Moving away from the reviews, the return on investment is 52%, which is fantastic, and the estimated profit per unit sold is £6.35 profit, which is fantastic. There's absolutely no warnings involved with this product when you're selling it, no IP risk, no hazmat, it's not oversized, and there's no different variations on the product. Looking at the price graph, Amazon have never been on this listing, which is fantastic because we don't really want to be competing with them. There is a lot of movement on the green sales rank line, which means that this product is getting sales. On the Profitl extension, we now move to the advanced historical data. Within the last year, the average buy box price for this product is $23.39. So that's obviously slightly cheaper than what it's selling for now, which is $24.99, but it's only ever so slightly. So even if it did go back down to that price, you're still making a good amount of profit. You can get access to the Profitl extension, which is an Amazon FBA sourcer extension and app, by going into the description. The link is there. And if you use these discount codes, you can get some money off your first month's subscription. So in summary, this product is pretty good. Not bad sales, good return on investment. Even if the price drops a little bit, you're still making good profit. Very, very little competition. The thing to take away from this is the reviews. Always check the reviews to see if people are happy buying this product, because if they aren't, you may be looking at returns. If you have any questions about anything you saw, please do let us know in the comments. We are very active replying to comments. If you want to see any other videos about Amazon FBA, let me know as well. We can get those made. Please do leave a like because it helps the channel and it makes me look good. And subscribe for weekly Amazon FBA guides and videos. Take care. Bye.